Hey, where we going?
The Rockefeller.
First stop. What, it's like 7:30. We're up early doors. Jet lagging out. Hitting Rockefeller Centre first. Rock of the top of the rock, I mean. But before I go anywhere, look at our 13th floor hotel room. Sun's rising. Look at that. It is cold, -1 degrees, literally by 7:30, up early doors. Town Square is still popping. Crazy amounts of shops. Levi's. But yeah, we're off to the top of the rock. The Rockefeller Centre. Half 8 our booking is. What a day as well. Want to see everything, aren't we? Taking a nice little walk downtown to the where again? Well, 9/11 Memorial, World Trade Center, and then Statue of Liberty. Maybe try to get a boat over there. And then what's after that? And we'll go to Brooklyn Bridge, and then what's the shit? Yeah, much quieter down here, isn't it? Not many tourists about. Anyway, sing a bit. Made it to the new World Trade Center. We're going to have a look at the 9/11 Memorial Museum. See what I say. We've heard it's quite emotional. Have a look at pictures in there. But look how mad that is. No one can see it on the wait. No one can see it yet. But where my finger is, there's actually a window cleaner there, hanging from the 2 windows all the way up there that are open. it's not really at the Statue of Liberty, but it is. Oh, you can't even see it on the camera, it's there. I see it on my other camera. Someone doesn't want to take a boat ride. Someone doesn't want to take the boat ride. Yeah, well, we can drive past and see it.
Huh?
But anyway, the boat wait is like 2 hours, so might be a bit long. I'll see if my camera can get a hold of a picture from this far. Let's sit on the beach. Beach? Bench? I wish it was a beach, it's a bit cold. It's on my back. Say that again. What do you want to get?
5.
We can swim that. We can swim that. Oh my god, I think we can fucking swim that. Nah, real talk though. Look at it. Is there one way you can get back over there? That's the bridge. Day 3 in New York City. You ready? Another day, another view. Got another big day planned. It's another beautiful day. Look at this. You see a reflection of that side in that building. Whipping around Central Park.
They got cars big as bars, they got rivers of gold. But the windows right through you, it's no place for the old. When you first took my hand on a cold Christmas Eve, you promised me Broadway was waiting for me. You were handsome,
You were pretty queen of New York City.
when the band finished playing, they held out for more. Sinatra was swinging, all the junk they were singing. We kissed on the corner, then danced through the night. The boys of the NYPD choir were singing, Go Away Babe, and the bells were ringing out for Christmas Day.
We're on the little Central Park tour. We've got some bikes out.
You're an old slut and junk lying there, almost dead on a dripping night bed.
You scumbag, you maggot, you cheap, lousy faggot. Happy Christmas, you're ours, I pray God it's our love.
The boys of the NYPD choir still singing, Go Away Babe, and the bells are ringing out for Christmas Day.
We arrived at the National History Museum of America. The actual museum that was used in Knights of the Museum. Bit of history. Right, we're down to the Plaza building. My mum's friend's husband works there, so just want to get us upstairs. That's it. The trip to New York is almost over. It's actually 11 o'clock, time to check out. It's the latest we've been up. It's because we're sad we're leaving. Gonna miss this view. Now today, what are we doing today? What stand or shop are we going to first? This is Macy's, by the way. The biggest mall in America, I think. I'm not too sure. Taking a guess, but it's pretty massive. Literally has everything as well. Most of the stuff downstairs is women's stuff, so I don't know where to be here. Where we going? I wonder who that was. Was that
Probably Trump.
Was that Trump or was it someone else? I don't know. Crazy shit going down.
What was your name again? I see so many of them come. Want me just play pretend? All your girls, they just wanna have fun. But it's the same old thing that we all see. Same old thing that keeps me keen. But I just wanna be alone with you. Just wanna be alone with you.